So I would like to do a bit of a review on a pistol that I purchased recently, made by Oriskany Arms. I'm quite pleased with it, and when you do YouTube and internet searches, there's not a whole lot on them, and I'm happy enough with it that I thought it'd be kind of nice to do a bit of a review on this pistol. Oriskany Arms, they're a rather small company in New York, and what really kind of sets them apart is that they make 1911 pistols, but what sets them apart is that you get kind of a matrix of features that you select from, and you pick out the features that you want on their website, and they build that pistol for you. You pay them, they ship it to your FFL, and you do the transfer. So the purchase price of the pistol, it goes all to the manufacturer. Compare that with how you typically shop for pistols. You're shopping for pistols. Does this pistol have the right, the quality that you want? Does it have the features that you want? And a lot of times you're just kind of choosing between trying to find the model of pistol that you want. Well, all of that is gone with the Oriskany Arms. They have the quality, really, really good pistol, and you just pick the features that you want. For example, you have a choice of 3 barrel lengths: 5-inch, 4 1/4, 3 1/2. You have a choice of calibers: 45 ACP, 9mm, 38 Super. You have a choice of ambidextrous safety or not, different sights, different finishes, and whatnot. And so I went with a 38 Super and a 4 1/4 inch barrel. The fit is really, really good. I've never owned a pistol or even a firearm in general that has as tight a fit as this. I'm going to just verify that this is safe. I just came back from the range, so nothing in there. It has a really, really nice trigger. The reset is, I don't know if you can see that, but that's the reset. It's like, I swear it's like 1/4 of an inch. Maybe not even that. Very, 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 very light reset. So I've been really happy with this. Share some of the, like I said, I just got back from the range. I'm doing some load development. I already have some loads done for this, but I'm just looking to see if I could improve upon them. I was doing a load with 147 grain XTP, Hornady XTPs with silhouette powder, and these are all shot at 50 feet. So here's some of the targets I've been doing, or that I did today. This is like about 1 inch, opens it up to about 2 inches with that guy there. The next one, a really nice tight cluster, which was under, this 4 here is 3/4 of an inch, and it kind of opens up to about 1.5 inches. The next one, similar. This is 6.4 grains, 4 rounds into about 1 inch. That opens up to about 1.5 inches. As I got towards the high end, my group starts to open up a little bit. That's 1.5 inches, but no real identifiable cluster. And then I got to the high end, it kind of opened up some more. But then I have 3 that are, that's about 3/4 of an inch right there. So I might try this one again. It was kind of cold at the range. I was shooting with bare hands and stuff like that. It was below freezing, so that might have had something to do with it. But anyway, I'm going to include some video from, before I'm done with this, from a steel plate match that I've got coming up, and I have some other video, so not some range video on this, but highly recommend this. They don't market themselves too terribly much, but definitely worth looking at if you're in the market for a 1911 pistol. One other thing I'd say is that this, I kind of like 1911s. I've tried a number of other types of pistols, and I've finally come back to a 1911, but when I came back to it, I decided I was going to have one built. This thing's very comfortable to carry, even though it's steel frame, but it's a very slim profile. I find this more comfortable to carry than, for example, a double stack XD. Even though the XD is noticeably lighter, I noticed the thickness or the thinness of this more than I do the weight, and this is definitely something that I find comfortable. So anyway, that's kind of it, and I'll include some range video, and that's it. I highly recommend this pistol.
There you are.
9.
What is that? Is 45?
I'm guessing, yeah.
He said
You only
he got a
need
new
6
38
rounds if you don't
Super.
miss.
Oh, maybe that's what it is.
That sounds I didn't realize 38 Super was that long.
ready?
That
Yeah.
sounds pretty
Stand
high.
by.
It's his guns. How much?
I sure seemed a whole lot. I've not seen a 38 Super shoot, man. That thing's. It's authoritative.
972.
972. Say again.
972.
It's a 38 Super.
It's got a good thump sound to it.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of.
Yeah.
But not much. Yeah.
That's a setup.
Yeah, yeah.
Shot.
672.
672.